Hi, this is Panchali on behalf of Streamer again coming with a new video. Today's video is only on bags, and today I will show only big size, and big size means you can easily use it in your office, in your if in everyday work we have to carry a number of things in our bags. I think for that particular purpose this type of bags, and mainly especially for working ladies. Okay, I think this will be too good. Starting with first some high range, not exactly high range, according to the quality and according to the design. I think this, and you can easily wash it just with a single first of all I want to tell you the booking number is same as that of the other videos, that you have to make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 89101561. Starting with first a big size, enough size is this, and this is boarded. Okay, so no chance of what can I say? These are not at all that type of market just roadside bags, you can say. These are very good in quality, and first of all the first design, it is digital printed, but the fabric you can easily wash. Okay, and I use it personally, so I know that it will last more than 6 months to 8 months without wash, and then you can wash with a little of light soaps, that means shampoo or others, and with just light cleaning it will be just exact. And the first one, it is enough space is there, and see the inner one, two big size compartments are there, one chain here and another chain is there also in back side for your and there is a small purse, and these are not sling bag, actually these are all shoulder bag. These are, I'm showing you that this will be the size. See, enough big is this, 14 by 18 or 19 will be the size. I have to check and I will tell you, but enough. I think for everyday office goers these are perfect, and it is in the range of 750. This is the first one in this range. Moving towards the second one, this is another beautiful, and this is just not digital printed, this is pure cotton, pure fabric, and see the fabric, just I love it. Okay, this is the fabric indigo on which, and this is the style. On the previous one the style is slightly different, I think. Yes, no flap is there, but in this one flap is there, as well as three compartments, one, two, and this is the number three. Okay, this is the three, and with these bag, as the previous one is too big and this one is lightly a little bit small, but it has enough space. Okay, and with this type of purse will come, as well as sling will also come. And I am going just want to say that these may weight more than 500 grams, so in single shipping it's difficult. So in case of bags and for heavy things, I used to ship through Indian Post Office parcel. Okay, then your shipping will be within up to 1 kg, it will be within 70 to 80. Okay, so you can take two bags and it will come in single shipping through post office. Yes, it will take a little bit more time, but I think then it will be cost saving, I think so. And in the back there is another chain is there, magnet is there to just keep it, and you can use it as a handbag. See the size, I am just, size is enough and space is also enough. Okay, and you can use it as a handbag as well as shoulder bag. The previous one is only shoulder bag. Okay, in the shoulder bag style, few more designs are there. I will, another Ajrak indigo ones is there. It is the previous one is indigo style, and this one is shoulder bag Ajrak size. This is shoulder bag. Okay, the first one which I showed you in digital printed, this is the cotton version of it, and see the space, see the design. pure Ajrak one is the fabric. These are all from just directly from there. These are not at all Kolkata making product. So their cost is 750 for this big one. All this type of bags, these are all 750 in the range. Okay, again two big size compartment is there, chain is also there. Okay, and in inner there is another compartment, and this type of short parts will be there, and this is the front. Okay, shoulder bag for every day. I can assure you, you will be happy when you get it personally. You will be happy. Moving towards another this type of shoulder bag, then I will show you few pieces of low range, and then again some another beautiful with. I have this particular this print, I liked it very much, and I used it for last 6 months. I am using this particular bag. It's just too good. See the print. Okay, and it is unique. It can't be possible to give you another one if you wish, because these manufacturer, they in every design they make some just new pieces, and it will not be repeated at all. Three compartments are there, enough size. Okay, and this is the lock, magnet lock is there. Inside there is a sling also. Okay, this is the next one. A beautiful design is this. Moving towards another beautiful, and this is a little bit smaller but spacious. These are in the range of 690. See the first one, 690. Magnet lock is this type of lock will be there to open, and of course with zip. And its space is relatively small than that of the previous pieces. See, this is the paste for the digital printed. Okay, two compartments are there. In front there are two more compartments. Okay, in front you can also use. In back side another compartment is there. Okay, and this is the front. You can use it as a handbag as well as sling bag also. Okay, 690 is the price for this one. Moving towards another piece of the same type, but all are different from each other. All are not at all same. All the pieces, their designs are a little bit different from each other. This is the next one. Its design is slightly changed, and I will actually its price is 690, but I will give you because a little bit just a color discharge is here, and only for that if you take it I will give you in 600. Okay, as a little problem is there, so I will actually this is not a stock clearance sale, but as I noticed it, I will give you in low price. For your work you can wash it easily, but I will not wash because it's a new product. It's not in my this is the back. Two compartments is there, and as well as a sling is also there. As there is a little problem is there, so I will give you in 600. Okay, moving towards the next. Another design on the same range and 690 range is this one. See the beautiful print. It is a print and it is not digital printed. The fabric is pure fabric and you can easily wash it. Three compartments are there. Inside sling is also there. You can use it as a handbag, as a shoulder bag also. Okay, sling is also there. This is the next one, 690. This one. Moving towards another beautiful 750. The previous one, this is a larger in shape, 750. Enough space, and these are called size changer because you can use it as this, or you can use it by opening it also. Okay, but actually its size is this one. See the print, actually faces, different ladies faces are there. Okay, backside chain is there, enough space, three compartment, and again another small parts is there, and No, it is not with any sling, because it's not a sling bag, it is shoulder bag. The size is not for sling bag, this is shoulder bag, and you have to take it like this. Enough space. See, I think you have an idea when I am holding it. This is the 17 by 14 will be the size. Okay, enough space. Backside chain is also there. 750 range. In that range, another beautiful piece is there, and this is actually bigger than that of the previous one. On this range, only this one I think is available. On this size, actually, only this one is available. Beautiful block. Just if you go to some branded showroom, then they will sell it more than 1500, I can assure you, because of, and this is shape changer. The previous piece is look like shape changer, and this one is real shape changer. You can use it by this shape, okay, or in both side magnets are there. If you want to hold some bigger things, you can change the shape, and then it will be this. Okay, so this is called shape changer. On this shape changer model, I think only single piece is available right now. This is the piece, big size, 2 compartments and backside chain. And see the base, you have an idea how the piece is. Okay, 750. The range is again same, 750. In low range, now I will show you few pieces, and then few more pieces are there in premium ranges also. Next, the piece, these are only and only if you have to gift in anyone in their anniversary or birthday. I think they will be happy with it. These are fabric bag, enough space is there, and this type of double chain is there, backside chain. This is not at all only that just plain bag, pure fabric one, enough space. Okay, this is only and only 480. 480. In this 480 range, actually a number of designs are there. The previous one I have 2 pieces, so I can give you. The next one I am showing you. See, this is the next one. Just a minute. These are all packed tightly, and 2 pieces will come easily, this type of bag, in single shipping. But for the heavy bag, 750 prices, then double shipping may require. Okay, I have to check the weight. 2 compartments and 1 backside compartment. Again, beautiful fabric, multi patchwork is there, multi fabric patchworks. Okay, 480 is the range. On the same range, few more pieces. I am just showing you the prints. This is the next print. Again, it's a shiny cotton silk based material, but you can wash it. You can easily wash it. Okay, this is the base. See the base. Okay, 2 compartments with backside compartment is there. This is the next one. All of these pieces are in the same range, that is 480. The next one, again digital printed, just, and again sequence work is also there. A light sequence work is also there, but you can light wash you can do. Okay, here also 2 compartments are there. 1 backside compartment. 480 is the range. On 480 range, I think max, yes, another piece is there. It's already just if you keep more material, then it is enough, I think. 480. Okay, this is the last for 480 range. Now moving towards some jacquard weaving pieces, big size. Today I will only show you. Oh, another 480 piece is there. Just a minute. Yes, this one, Boldy style. Boldy. Okay, some big size jacquard weaving. For the first one which I am showing, these are shoulder bag only. No slings are there, and only for their weaving these are costly. That is the main reason. These are jacquard weaving all along. 790, big size, 17 by 19 actually will be the size. Enough space, two big size compartments. Okay, and yes, two big size back side as well as just enough space is there. Okay, 790 for this one. On jacquard weaving, another piece is also, another two pieces are there in the same range. This is the next. The design is almost same but not at all exactly same, a little bit change is there. Another jacquard weaving piece is there. It is again 790. See, it is design is slightly changed because its size is a little bit small but space is enough, just like that of the previous one. Three compartments are there. I think one parts may be there. Yes, one parts is also there. When this will be like this shape, parts is also with this one. See, okay, 790 is the range for this one. Now two pieces are there. These are office style bag, but these are not that of spacious as I shown already. These are a little bit smaller, but you can use it. See the beautiful piece. See, front, this type of piece is there. Sling is there also. Two compartment is there. One backside compartment, and this one is digital printed, but fabric quality is too good. You can use it. 690. 690 is the price for this one. You can use it as a handbag also and as a sling also, both. Okay, and another this type of bag, oh big size, another bag was there, 690 range, and this design is completely different. See the design here, there is another leather patchwork is there so that you can keep coins here. This is the fabric is I shown another piece on the same fabric. See the small enough space here, only single compartment. Okay, inside there is another compartment also, but single compartment. Backside chain is there. Use it as a handbag, big size, enough size. Okay, it is in the range of 690. Now and more two designs are there to show. One, this particular fabric I like it very much. Just see it. This is coins. Previously we used in our country this 5 paisa coins, 10 paisa coins, and this the fabric is pure cotton fabric which is made up of this type of coins. This is 50 paisa is written here, here 5 is written, 10 is written. Okay, and 690 range is the, and zip font, two compartments are there. This is not too spacious, but okay, you can use it. Sling is also there, one backside chain, only single color, single size. Okay, now this is the another last thing I want to show you. No, not last, another piece will be there. This is the piece. See, this is a font, two small chains, big size, enough size, ajrak print. And this is the space. Inside there is also parts is also there, coin pouch. This is the shape. See how big it is. And this is the back. It is in the range of 680. 680 is the range. Another piece, two piece I will show just. This one is little bit older, so I will make a discount. Space is there, but some patchwork, small patchwork, you have to wash it a little. Only and only now 350. Actually it is 480, but now only 350 I will sell it. Actually this is on discount. The last one, two discounted piece I showed you in the video. Okay, just those who like to have it, you can. Others are all good, so no discount will be there, as maximum of them are fresh pieces. And the last one, only single piece jacquard weaving, 850, extremely large piece, and two compartments, big size compartments is there. See the finishing, here is metal finishing is there, backside zip, and this is the shape. Okay, it's the last one. 850 is the range. That's all for today. If you are interested, please make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. Thank you.